I am going to turn both of these on. Once you go to the alignment stage, you're not going to be able to turn one of them on or the other, so it's just going to show you the one or none, apparently. So I'm going back to tools. I'm going to turn that one on and I'll go to align. Alright, so you've got one that's blue and one that's gray. The gray one is the one that you're going to mess with. So I'm hitting shift and it's going to allow me to rotate this guy. If I'm hitting shift and I use the middle mouse button, I just move the whole thing. So I like to try and situate it in the same way as best I can. This makes it a little bit easier whenever we're doing the actual alignment. It's also a little bit easier to see things when you're on solid mode, because if you zoom in while you're on points, you can see it gets kind of grainy, and that just makes it tough. And I don't want it to be tough. Okay, what we are looking for here is different recognizable landmarks that we can see on both areas. So I'm seeing this kind of overlay here, kind of a chipped area. And I'm seeing the same thing here. Then I've got this top of the head of the femur. Very nice. And you can turn this bone, these bones around, or I guess the object around, and kind of mess with it to see what you can pick up. I'm going to go with this little overhang. And there we go. So here you're going to first click Align Markers. You can go ahead and click Align, but the thing is, clicking Align Markers and using these markers in general is going to make it a lot easier for the program to figure it out. So I'm going to hit Align Markers and then Align, and it's going to scooch it for me, and it has made our object. Very nice. So back to tools. We are going to start with outlier removal. We've got the 3D noise level at 3 and the 3D resolution at 1 millimeter. Okay, so the outliers have been removed, and you can kind of see all of that kind of stuff on the outside has been significantly reduced. It's definitely not going to get rid of all of them, but we're just hoping that whenever we register, it's going to figure itself out. Okay, then we are doing collective registration. Everything else can stay the same, and we'll run that.